Get ready, tech fans. Apple's dropping something huge, Charlotte FC is facing off against Inter Miami, and we've got the inside scoop on what's next. Let's go. First up, Apple is gearing up for their awe-dropping event. We're talking about the brand new iPhone 17 lineup, potentially slimmer than ever before, with massive battery upgrades and camera innovations that could change the game. Plus, could new Apple Watches and AirPods be on the way? You won't want to miss this. Then, get your game faces on because it's Charlotte FC versus Inter Miami. This is the match you've been waiting for, live on MLS Season Pass. Can Charlotte FC make history with a 9th straight win? Tune in to find out. And we've got all the details on how and when you can catch Apple's awe-dropping event, including exact times for the US, UK, and Canada, plus what to expect from the iPhone 17, Apple Watch Series 11, and more. Don't miss a second of it. Subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Apple's awe-dropping event is almost here. Get ready for a seismic shift in your tech world. Apple is set to host its highly anticipated awe-dropping event, and the buzz is all about the brand new iPhone 17 lineup. Rumors are flying about a significantly slimmer design, a major leap in battery life, and front-facing camera improvements that could redefine mobile photography. This isn't just another phone launch, it's a glimpse into the future of personal technology. The event, scheduled for Tuesday at 1 p.m. EDT, is expected to pull the curtain back on not just the iPhone 17, but also a new Apple Watch and potentially updated AirPods. The iPhone 17 is rumored to come in several variants. The standard iPhone 17, the more affordable iPhone 17 Air that could be a third thinner than its predecessor, and the premium iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max models. The Pro versions are expected to boast upgraded processors, enhanced camera systems with simultaneous front and back video recording capabilities, and improved battery capacity, partly thanks to the adoption of eSIM technology. While official pricing remains under wraps until the event, leaks suggest the iPhone 17 could start around $799, with the Pro models seeing a price increase to around $1,099 and up, potentially dropping the 128GB option. The iPhone 17 Air is anticipated to fall in the $899 to $949 range. Alongside the new iPhones, Apple is also expected to unveil the Apple Watch Ultra 3, Series 11, and SE 3, likely featuring faster chips and larger displays. Even Apple's popular AirPods Pro could see an update with the AirPods Pro 3, possibly including smaller charging cases, and the AirTag 2 is also rumored to be on the horizon with enhanced range and connectivity. This unveiling comes at a crucial time for Apple, as iPhone revenue saw a significant boost of over $5 billion in its latest quarterly earnings, contributing to the tech giant's strongest quarterly revenue growth in 4 years. The market is eagerly awaiting confirmation of these innovations, with tech analysts closely watching how these new products will impact Apple's dominant market share and revenue streams. Don't go anywhere, because we've got the full breakdown on how to watch Apple's event live. Next up, we're switching gears from the tech giant to the roar of the soccer crowd, as Charlotte FC takes on Inter Miami. Charlotte FC versus Inter Miami, a showdown you can't miss. Get ready for an electrifying night of Major League Soccer as Charlotte FC prepares to host Inter Miami. This is more than just a game. It's a pivotal moment in the MLS season, with Charlotte FC aiming to extend their incredible streak of 9 consecutive wins. The atmosphere is set to be electric at the stadium, and for fans across the globe, the action is live and exclusive. The highly anticipated match kicks off at 7:30 p.m. ET. For those who can't be there in person, the entire game will be broadcast live on Apple TV through MLS Season Pass. This is your ticket to every thrilling moment, every goal, and every save with no blackouts. For fans in the Charlotte area, the match will also re-air locally on WMYT on Monday at 11:00 p.m. Radio coverage will be available on WFNZ 92.7 FM in English and WOLS 106.1 FM in Spanish, ensuring you don't miss a single play, no matter your preference. With the match being almost sold out, The energy is palpable. The first fans to arrive at the stadium will receive a limited edition inflatable crown, presented by Ticketmaster, adding an extra layer of excitement for those lucky enough to be in attendance. This game is a must-watch for soccer enthusiasts, especially those tracking Charlotte FC's historic run and the star power that Inter Miami brings to the field. Stay tuned for the final countdown to Apple's big reveal and all the essential viewing details. Next, we're diving deep into the exact times and ways you can witness Apple's awe-dropping event unfold, no matter where you are. Apple's awe-dropping event, your global viewing guide. Mark your calendars and set your alarms, because Apple's highly anticipated, awe-dropping event is just around the corner, and we've got the definitive guide to catch every moment, no matter your time zone. This is the event where Apple is expected to unveil its next generation of groundbreaking products, led by the much-rumored iPhone 17 lineup. The event is scheduled for September 9, 2025, kicking off at 10 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. For viewers in the United States, this translates to 11 a.m. Mountain, noon Central, and 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Across the pond in the UK, the event begins at 6 p.m. British Summer Time, while Europe will tune in at 7 p.m. Central European Summer Time. For our viewers in India, the event starts at 10:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. If you're in Singapore or China, it's September 10 at 1 a.m. China Standard Time, and Japan will see the event begin at 2 a.m. Japan Standard Time on September 10. Australia and New Zealand also get an early start on September 10, with times varying across time zones. You can stream the entire event live via Applecom, the Apple TV app, or directly from Apple's official YouTube channel. The presentation is expected to last between 1 and 2 hours. Industry insiders and leaks suggest Apple will debut 4 new iPhone models: the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the ultra-slim iPhone 17 Air. The standard iPhone 17 is rumored to feature a 6.3-inch 120Hz display and a 24MP front camera, with a starting price around $800. The redesigned iPhone 17 Pro models, the first major redesign since the iPhone 12 Pro, are expected to feature a new horizontal camera bar, improved processors, and start at nearly $1,100 with 256 GB of storage. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is anticipated to begin around $1,250. The standout iPhone 17 Air, boasting a remarkable 5.5 in thickness, will reportedly come with a single rear camera and a 6.6-inch display, priced between $899 and $950. Beyond the phones, expect updates to the Apple Watch lineup, including the Series 11, Ultra 3, with a new S11 chip and 5G RedCap support, and SE models. The AirPods Pro 3 are also slated for an upgrade, potentially including a heart rate monitor. The sheer volume of expected announcements has the tech community buzzing. Stick around as we bring you the latest on what Apple might have up its sleeve for this massive event. And finally, we're rounding out our tech deep dive with a look at what else Apple might be prepping for its September 9th showcase. Apple's September 9th showcase: iPhone 17, Apple Watch Series 11, and more. Prepare for a technological spectacle as Apple gears up for its much-anticipated September 9th event, where the company is expected to unveil a suite of its latest innovations, headlined by the all-new iPhone 17 series. This event is poised to set the tone for the next wave of consumer electronics, with industry watchers keenly awaiting the details. The tech giant's September 9th event is widely anticipated to introduce the iPhone 17 lineup, which has been the subject of intense speculation. Reports suggest a focus on design refinement, with a notably slimmer profile for some models, alongside significant enhancements to battery life and camera technology. The iPhone 17 Pro is rumored to feature a redesigned camera module, potentially a horizontal bar, and improved performance. The iPhone 17 Air is expected to be an even thinner iteration, offering a compelling blend of style and functionality. Alongside the new iPhones, Apple is also poised to reveal updates to its wearable technology, including the Apple Watch Series 11, the rugged Apple Watch Ultra 3, and the value-oriented Apple Watch SE. These new wearables are expected to pack faster processors and potentially new connectivity features. Furthermore, whispers suggest that the AirPods Pro could receive their next major upgrade, potentially with enhanced audio features or a new design. The event is also a potential venue for the reveal of the AirTag 2, promising improved tracking capabilities. The tech community is abuzz with anticipation, dissecting every leak and rumor. Analysts are predicting that these new product launches could significantly impact Apple's market position and drive substantial revenue growth, building on the company's recent strong financial performance. The unveiling of these devices is seen as a critical step in maintaining Apple's competitive edge in the fast-paced consumer electronics market. This has been your comprehensive look at the biggest tech news today. And now, let's quickly recap the top stories and tell you how to stay connected with WatchWire news. Apple's jaw-dropping event is set to reveal the new iPhone 17 lineup and more. Charlotte FC is facing Inter Miami in a massive MLS clash you won't want to miss. And we've got the full breakdown on when and how to watch all the Apple excitement. That's all for today, folks. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to WatchWire News, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Follow us on all our social channels for even more updates. See you next time.